Why is this not working? $30. I traded on this chart. This was my only trade today. All right, so we could close this. It's the P&L from today. So yesterday my accounts got reset. Yesterday my accounts got reset to obviously everyone's accounts got reset. So anything that I made money in, I kept it, and anything that was blown, the 2 accounts that were blown, even though I made profit in one of them, that got reset. So like this account got reset and one other one got reset. But I might be done for the day, guys. I think it's been all green week, no red days. Just a really good week overall with progress. I will have to up my size on some of the accounts moving forward. But I wanted to pop on, let you guys know what happened, and then if we hit 20K subs, I'll do a $100 giveaway today, which we are only like 15 subs away. So you still have to make 20 more? No, so this account I have to get it to 27,000, and I'm at 15, pretty much at 15,000. So I gotta make like 12, 13,000 more on this account. That's the worst one. Because this one got reset. So this one had 11,000 in it, but that got reset. So Bull Knox top step, Forex Edge. Oh man. Good morning, everyone. I don't know why I had a late start today. I actually woke up super early, traded the news. Again, failed some evals. Passed an eval, but I went into admin mode, but that's all gonna get reset. So if you traded the opening 8:30 news, then I think it's gonna get reset. I had no problems with this trade. I was nervous to trade the open, but took this at 932, 933. Breakdown of this range. So same thing as my opening range trade, but instead of using the opening trade in the first couple minutes, I used the range of the first couple minutes of the open since it was very clean. And I took the breakdown here, and I got like 42 ticks. I got out a little early from it. I don't know if it would have hit 50 ticks. Yeah, it would have hit my target, but would have been up 250 per account instead of 200, but so I got 40 ticks exactly, actually. Why was he in the why was he in there? In the chat, like on YouTube or in this Discord or something? That's pretty cool. Was it good or was it bad? Yeah, so I did see that he did say that the issue's gonna be fixed over the weekend, so hopefully that's true. It's been pretty rough. I keep. I don't think so, Christian. I don't think so. I mean, I don't know, but like Ball Knox doesn't. But Ball Knox uses the generic rhythmics. I don't know. Top Step has their own. They suggested not to trade today. Yeah, I mean, I might not trade today at all. Like, I I had such a good week overall. Like, every single day was green and battled some, like, Wednesday or Tuesday, I battled from being down. I gave back profit last week. All of last end of last week, Thursday and Friday, I gave back profit. It's like I'm having one of my better days today between all the accounts. One trade, it's all it takes, and just can't forget that. I feel like now that I trade a little bit different, I feel like I overtrade a little bit, and the concept is still the same. Make $200 to $300 a day, and make, you know, $30,000, $40,000 a month in payouts. So I just wanted to jump on here and give you guys an update, but I'm not gonna stay on long. I'm gonna go enjoy the day. I have work all weekend, so um I have to work tonight and I have to work tomorrow, so and the Rangers lost yesterday, so that pissed me off. That's more frustrating. I guess I gotta work on a new thumbnail because I think they're gonna get eliminated on Saturday. Is Apex changing payout schedules? Not yet. They have not announced anything yet. I do have to activate 2 more accounts. And then I don't know, I bought some 250Ks, but I don't think that's gonna be meant to be. The 250Ks are so damn tough. I mean, I passed one today and I was put into admin mode. It's like I don't even know how to pass them. Profit admin. I thought I passed it, got excited, and I looked, I'm like, oh, I guess I didn't pass it. Does anyone know what percentage of payouts were denied? No one's gonna know that, but the denials is not that like so much drama with it. I mean, people are using it for views. Let's start with that. People are using the drama for clout. They're using it to grow their channels or their discords or their twitters, whatever it might be, or they're just bored and they just love drama. So let's start with that. Obviously, the DCA is a big thing. It's not allowed. That's all there is to it. I mean, if you got denied for anything other than DCA, then that's fine. I would be upset too. But if you got denied for DCA, there's no reason to really be too upset because you know or you knew that it was coming. Maybe you didn't know it was coming this payout window. Like I wasn't sure if they're gonna be very strict with this payout window, but they did say they will be, but who knew? And the only thing that I would say is kind of crappy is that they waited so long to do it. You know, like there was people that are probably on monthly accounts, so they couldn't, you know, they had to pay for the account again. But again, if you got denied a payout for DCA, you didn't lose the account. You could just trade for 10 days normally without DCAing and you're going to get the payout next time. So it's not like the accounts are gone. It's not like they took the profits from you. They're going to give you 10 days to trade normally and you're going to get the payout. It's really not. But then Top Step's making some great changes, right? Top Step has 5 accounts now. You know, if you want to go DCA, go with them. I mean, I might go with them too now because I use stop losses now. I didn't like Top Step because I didn't use stop losses often. Now I use stop losses. So now Top Step is a viable option as soon as I get to 20 accounts with Apex. And I'm getting close to 20 accounts with Apex. So am I submitting this round? Nah, yeah, I'm doing two accounts only because of what happened yesterday. So I could request a payout from this account and this account, these 2 accounts. Because this one got blown out. I was gonna request it from here too, but this one got blown out with the 30% rule. So unfortunately I can't request that. But hey, this account's gonna be the growing account, you know. I'm gonna try to grow it and then once I get it to 30,000 in profits, 180,000 total. It's not even like it's gonna be like 177. It might take me all the way till July to do it. But if I get it there, then I mean, FloJo, I mean, yeah, she's been making videos. I almost made a video. Like I don't watch any of her stuff, but obviously I get tagged in all the things. So maybe I'll do it today. Um, I don't know if she doesn't know I have a Porsche for the last 6 years, um, but that's pretty. That was pretty funny. I'm gonna give it to her. I had a laugh with my friends yesterday. Oh, and by the way, guess who I watched the game yesterday with? So I watched the Rangers game yesterday and the Mavericks on the side as well for my Dallas people here or Minnesota people. Guess who I was watching the game with? With 2 traders. And guess what? They both got approved for payouts. It's like if you didn't do DCA, you got approved. Like my bounty still stands and I might even put it on the community post. I'm going to give anyone that got denied for a payout for doing DCA prior to May, If you got denied a payout prior to May for DCA, you have $200 from me for free. They'll pay back $200. That'll give you like what? 12, 13 evals. It's dollar cost averaging. It's the main reason why people got getting denied a payout this window. When does the daily drawdown stop with 250K? So the stop is always whatever your risk is. That is where it stops. So like 250K, it's 6,500, I think. Walken or Pips Hunter, if you could send them to me, I'm honest. I will give $200 to that person if they prove to me that they got denied for DCA prior to May. So not this payout window, but any window before that. And we are 10 subscribers away from a $100 giveaway on stream. And market is tanking. T-Edge, yeah, quick ticks help. Just be careful with your risk to reward being right. How do you add a pending column? So you just right click and create a new column. And you just write whatever you want in it. So it's not like it's a pending column. It says May 1 to 5. That's already... I just got to save it so it doesn't show up in there anymore. How many funded accounts did I fail before my first payout? 3. Boss, what's going on, brother? How is that Rebirth Island treating you? I haven't played in forever. I failed 3 accounts and I got payouts from 4 and 5. But I already got a payout from another prop firm prior to that, so... Sean, yeah, it's gonna be pretty strict from what I've seen. But you could add once. You could add to your position once. But the problem is with the rhythmic issues, how they're gonna know. Like yesterday, I probably DC. I have no idea what happened yesterday, but I would... Maybe I DCA'd, maybe I didn't. I have no idea what my trades looked like yesterday. I should pull up yesterday's data and put it into like a trading journal, and then I'll be able to see exactly how many trades I took and stuff. Because yesterday was crazy. Lamer, yeah, so they do restore accounts that were blown, even though they're in positive territory. That happened to me yesterday. Like I made 11 grand on this account yesterday, and they reset it to back to 250. Not all of them hold me. Couple of them got erased. But yeah, there's like this account. Like this account, I could show you guys the P&L from yesterday, actually. I made a screenshot of it. It definitely makes it more difficult to get a payout, but I'm just gonna use it as a challenge. And so this first account was reset, and this account was reset, but made 8,000 on this one. So 8,000. So I lost like 600 bucks on purpose. So 8,085 divided by 0.3. I gotta make 27,000. So I gotta make 27,000. Already have 14,575. So I gotta make 12,000 more on this account. And then this account, I gotta make probably even more actually. 5,684. I should have lost on this account times point no 5,684 divided by 0.3. Yeah, this is gonna be the tough account. Oh, actually, it's the same thing. 6,000 minus 6. Yeah, the same thing. 12,000 on both. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna up the size on these two accounts to 3 contracts instead of 2. I mean, instead of 1. And it's gonna take a while to make, but then I'm gonna try to maybe let a runner go or something like that. I'm gonna try to but even if it takes me till July, end of July to get it, I have so many other accounts I'm gonna work on that it's not gonna be an issue. Pairwiser, yes, I do. Did you see lifetime monthly payments for PA activations? Trader Trade, that's only for the 250k eval. If you have a losing trade at the start of the day, do you continue to try and make it back? Yeah, I mean, I try not to revenge trade, but one trade usually doesn't mean I'm done for the day. Today is just Friday, so I think I'm gonna be done. But today is a crazy trending day. Oh my goodness. It is a meltdown. Continuation from yesterday. I mean, the hourly chart has been, it's pretty juicy. And the news today didn't help. That was like a full, beautiful, almost like a trap liquidity grab. And then everyone that was long today is pretty much dead. Definitely makes me want to take another trade, but at the same time, look at the volatility. I would have to have a perfect entry where I don't go into drawdown. Okay, well, you could start working on an email. Okay, so I'm gonna need, because I'm gonna need proof, right? So I'm gonna need, like, does he still have those accounts? I hope so. But I'm gonna need, like, proof. So the email that he got from Apex, obviously the date, and the P&L from those days, if possible. If he blew those accounts, then as long as I have enough proof. The reason why I do the subscribe is because of the spam. So sometimes we get like these like Bitcoin spams, like bots that come in. Can we add to trades while they're on profit after 1 or 2 minutes? Yes. You could add to winning trades. Did Apex extend the promo? Yeah, I didn't extend it on my thing. But the promo ends on Monday now. I kind of think they should just stop the promo and let Rhythmic breathe a little bit. I feel like Rhythmic is choking. But what was her photo put in the scammer video? I don't know idea. No idea. I could ask the same question. Why is my photo in her videos? Oh yeah, a lot of people, Eric. I have 2 local friends. I have 2 of my best friends got payouts. One got approved like way sooner, and the other one got approved day before yesterday. One of them always joins the stream. Watched the Rangers game with them last night. One of them, I haven't talked to one of them. One of them made trade 3 PA accounts. He made 210, 210, and 270. And let me ask my other friend. Oh, I think he said he's gonna sit on his hands today until we hear something about the rhythmic issues. But he's working from home today, so he should be on stream at some point. Jake, if you're listening, did you take any trades? Justice, I mean, that's tough. Walk, that's awesome. Justice, I mean, trading full time is very difficult. I wouldn't be able to do it even right now. Like this weekend, I have two weddings. I mean, I'm making my, you know, I'm making my money, and I don't have to worry about how trading is going. So anything I make trading is extra. Even if I make more money trading than I make with DJing, it's still extra. So I don't have the pressure, like, you know, like I still made 21 grand this month trading. Still crazy good month. But it doesn't feel like it because of all the lost accounts, right? So it's mentally it's easier to just have a job and I mean, if not for my business, I would have never been trading at this point. I would have quit a long time ago. Because I lost first 3 years, I lost quite a lot. But I'll tell you this much. Making money does not make trading easier. That's the biggest misconception I've heard over and over again. And I also believe that myself when I was younger as a trader. If you have money from different sources, it does not make trading easier. It just does not. I mean, I don't know why people think it makes it easier, but it does not. Forex Edge, why are you such a why are you so negative? Like, why would you get like? Why do you listen to a few people that get denied for DCA? If you don't DCA, you're not gonna get denied. Like, it's that simple. Don't be so negative. You could add to winning trades. Yes, I mean, if you rely on trading with DCA and you can't adapt, then Apex is not gonna be for you. I mean, that's just simple as it gets. But that's not a big problem. Do whatever you can to get to your payout with the accounts you have, and then you just move on. I mean, that's for me. I know that if I make $200 a day with Apex, I'm still gonna make a lot of money. So I don't really. I have proof because I trade with other prop firms. I know how hard it is to make money with other prop firms. Wow, what a miss. Feels like the breakdowns are just very very easy today, but I'm just so nervous. He just means today. Or last couple days maybe. Because it certainly is not a bearish market. What about the stop loss with Apex? So you want to risk no more than 4 times what you make on average. So if you on average make $100 per trade, you don't want to have losers that are bigger than $400. They basically don't want you to just not use a stop loss at all. But doesn't have to be a hard stop. Mhm. I mean, it would be nice for it to drop even more today. But then you think to yourself, now, is this going to trap at some point? I mean, we dropped 265 already. I mean, I've seen the market drop, 400 or 500 points, so it's not really. I mean, it's coming into congestion zone on an hourly chart, but still got like at least close to 100 points down before then. That's from like early May to mid-May. Hold me, appreciate that. It's been it's been a while. Right? It's been a while. It's becoming more tough to, because I'm a guy that, I guess the way I grew is so like organic that I don't feel like I grew that much. So when people call me influencer and stuff like that, I'm just so not used to that or not ready for that. My channel grew because of my payouts. And how, you know, bum, bum, bum. Um, Walk. I was talking about prior to May. That was, he got denied just now. I'm trying to find someone that got denied prior to May, not now. So the person that just sent me the email got denied, but they got denied for this payout window. I'm talking about prior to May. Can you explain that to him? I'll walk in. So sorry for the confusion, but I'm looking for someone that got denied a payout prior to May. This is the May window. So we had May 1st through 5th, and then May 15th through 20th. Anyone that requested a payout prior to that and got denied. Nice car. I love cars. I don't buy the cars. Like, the reason why would I want to find such a person? Because there's another prop firm, and he claims, and there's few other people that do it too, but he does it on a big stage. They claim that me and Matt or Nutty, we all got approved for payouts because we're on YouTube, and other people got denied for doing the same thing. So I'm trying to find a person, because I don't actually know of any, so I'm actually wondering. Even though I did DCA in the past, but like I didn't get that many payouts from it. But I did do it. I saved the accounts a couple of times. Did I make a lot of profit with it? Probably not. But yeah, I need someone that is been denied prior to the enforcement of the rules. I just want to give it back to them because I feel bad. But yeah, going back to the car, I might not even show the car on YouTube because I don't really care. The only reason why I wanted to show it on YouTube is because that's my goal. That's what I enjoy as a small channel. That's something that, you know, I'm proud of. And then because I laid out my goal, and what's it called? And I wanted to do it as a write-off, right? Because I do make enough money on YouTube, which was the goal, to pay for the monthly payment of the car. Now, I don't know if I'm going to actually buy it outright or if I'm going to finance. It depends on the but this pays for the car payment, the insurance for 2 months. 1 month pays for 2 months, right? Because I'm not gonna have more than $1,000 payment. I'm not gonna let that happen. But that was the goal. Use one payout, 1 month. of payouts. Not all my payouts, 250,000, 300,000. It's 1 month of payouts, which was my best month was 80,000. So I'm going to use that. And since I had the really good month, I did add some options. So I went from like $145,000 build to $158,000 build. So I did add almost $10,000 in options because of having really much better months than I expected. But if people want to spread rumors and talk crap, I mean, I'm sorry, but that's just funny to me. People don't know. People don't know finances, I guess. I don't know. I mean, how many times do I have to say I don't trade for a living? Like, I have a full-time career that is I could have bought the car with my other career without ever trading. As long as trading pays for the car, if I make $1,000 a month trading, I could buy that car because then there's no, I probably would have bought a GT4 or a used, like, used car, but a used one is like 130. What did they do with my gains yesterday? So they reset some, but they kept a lot. So the account that I lost, they reset it, and the accounts that I actually profited on, they kept it. So I lost a little bit on purpose on one of the accounts, but not much. I mean, I should have probably lost a little bit more. So I got to make like $12,000 on 2 accounts to get to payout. So it's actually making it more difficult, but I'm gonna use it for a challenge. 73 Stingray. So you like older cars. Sean, it's gonna be based on your history. So obviously they won't know if you're holding it until they see other accounts either blown or big losses from other trades that didn't work out. That's the only way they could keep track. Otherwise, if you're not gonna use a stop loss, that means, like, right, if you use the whole account as a stop, then you're never gonna take a stop loss. So you're never gonna request a payout on that account if you lose. So all the accounts that you're requesting a payout, you never lost on them, right? So, but they could see everything. They could see how many accounts you have active, how many accounts you lost, all those things they could see. So they're gonna definitely look into that more. Did they extend the activation fee? Not that I know of. It's June 15th. Just buy a Jeep Wrangler. I have a Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm not a Jeep guy. Yesterday I drove around extra half hour in my car. So in my Porsche, I drove around for extra half hour because I don't get to drive it. I'm not gonna get to drive it a lot anymore. So I was like, oh, I went, just randomly driving, listening to the radio, and I tried to make a video actually, like with an update on my accounts, but the audio was not good. But also, if you think about it logically, a Jeep Wrangler, if you get a nice spec Jeep Wrangler, it's gonna end up costing you more than a nicely spec Porsche 911 because the depreciation on that is gonna be much higher than it is on the 911 or a nicely spec Porsche. It doesn't have to be a 911; it could be a Cayman, but. Like I have a Grand Cherokee, and I've had it since November. I probably lost more money on that than I'm gonna lose on my Boxster S. Yeah, I have the Boxster S. I put a lot of miles on it. I go to a track, so I buy cars for purpose. I don't buy cars for car meets or anything like that. I buy the car to go to the track with it. So it's not like it's different. I buy it for the purpose. I don't buy it for luxury because it's not a luxury car. Um, you know, if you want luxury, you go with Mercedes or you go with a like, a luxurious 911, not a sports 911. Yeah, I have the Grand Cherokee L. I don't even know what the depreciation is, but I bought it used and it was already like pretty low priced. I was like, damn, I was just trying to buy a new one or lease a new one. That was the price. And then I could buy this one used. That's from 2021 for that much. I'm going to take the used one, please. And it's all tinted out too. Like even the windshield's tinted, which I'll never do on my cars, but like it came like that. So I'm like, oh, officer, I didn't know. It's tinted. I did not know that, officer. It came like that. Like I don't notice it. Um, but every time I take someone else in my car, especially like my parents or something, they're always like, "Oh my god, you can't see anything out of this car." Even it's not that bad. All right, so we're finding a little bit of a bottom here, but let's see if it's. I don't know if I should take a breakdown here. Maybe a trap. So maybe it's got to be like a trap for the longs before it continues lower. Like break of a previous high and then slam down. Hot shot, what's going on? I doubt myself for payout a lot since these things are happening. Trade one contract and then I add second contract when the position is losing 50%. Basically two positions same time. Is that okay? Depends what your stop loss is and what your track record is. Reza. But this is what I say. If you have a strategy that's making you a lot of money and you don't benefit from having 20 accounts as much, then you might as well just at least copy trade with other prop firms right now. What packaging you need to do with QUANTOWER? Advanced features. So not the full license, just the advanced features. Hotshot's pretty cool. I guess they're trying to compete with My Fun the Futures. Yeah, I have one trade this morning, and I'm basically done. I'm just on stream, just rambling, but it's gonna be a short stream. We're trying to get to 20,000 subscribers. We're 10 away. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe. We're gonna give away a $100 voucher. It's just called Alpine. You get 10% off RM trades. And if you do like 3 months or 6 months, it's a lot cheaper, just so you know. But just do it for 1 month the first time. QUANTOWER does not auto renew. So if you just do monthly, when it ends, you're gonna log in the morning, and your license is gonna be gone, and you're gonna get frustrated. So make sure you keep an eye on it. That happened to me. If you're not a last minute person like I am, and you don't get to your desk, 2 minutes before the open, then it's fine. But oh, Mr. Pushup, welcome to my problem. At least you got to keep your profits yesterday. I mean, I don't know if I'm super happy about that. I'm neutral with that because I have to make a lot more profit now to get to payout. So it's not like it was a positive thing. It's really just gives me cushion. Mr. Pushup, I made 8 grand yesterday on one PA and 5 grand on another one, and then 2,000 on 3 other ones. So 5 evals, I mean, 5 PAs, I gotta make a lot of money on. I have not traded since the open. I did not have an issue this morning. I could show the trade this morning. Today is 5:31. So this is my trade from this morning. Bum, 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 bum. So I'm waiting. The market's open, or might be opening now. I think it's already open. I think this is the second minute of the market. Can you request a payout after 5 p.m. on the 5th? Yes. So we're watching a replay of my trade from this morning. I recorded to make sure if I have issues with yeah, but how did you make it as an accident? We might have a trap set up. Hold on, guys. Come on, market. I'm not gonna take the trade anyway. Might as well just wait. So you see the range setting up here. So This is not the open. This is already 3 minutes in. And I'm using only a limit order because of the slippage and the issues with market orders with that many accounts. I'm in. Here I thought I was going to get stopped out for sure. I was hoping that it would just fill me. And I just got out. And then it would have filled me now. But a couple of seconds later. But that was my trade from the open. Local business. I don't know. Hard to say. Sorry that happened though. Good morning. Are you slacking today? 30K yesterday, 3K today. Yeah. Unfortunately, Rhythmic didn't help me today. Yesterday, Rhythmic helped me. Adam's asking if I got denied, just like Matt. I did not request a payout. And if I got denied, it would be for a different reason. I would not be denied for DCA. None of these accounts have DCA'd. Maybe like long time ago on these, but I don't know. I don't even think so because I only got one or two payouts on those accounts. Yeah, mine got denied for DCA. So see a trap there. Long's getting trapped maybe. So tempted to short. Might have to retest one more time. I guess I could take it on this account because I didn't take a trade on this account yet. Yeah, I'm gonna maybe if I like the setup, I'm gonna take a trade on this account, win or lose one more trade. What's the most I've made on the 50K in a day? By luck, by issues, or by actual trading? Because yesterday I made 8,000. No, yesterday I made 5,000 on one of the accounts. 8,000 was on the 150K. Mr. Pushup. My first ever payout was a little bit over consistency. That's all I remember. Because I went from being up like 4,500 on the account to down to just 2,700. And I know I had it close to $1,000 a day. It was like 900 something. I feel like I missed the trade already, but let's see. I really liked it up here, but win or lose. Definitely chased it a little bit, but maybe it'll break down. Definitely seems heavy. Other option is to also set this to stop even, I mean, break even stop and just let this run all day, you know? Very nice. Exactly what I talked about earlier. It's the trap. I mean, I talked about it when we were here. If we could just go above this level, trap some longs. But it doesn't seem like it wants to go lower. So glad I took my profit. But see, now if I would have taken that trade with all the accounts, I would be up like 6, 7,000. That's what I want to work towards, you know, 6, 7, 8, $9,000 because I'm gonna be trading bigger size on the other accounts. It's gonna be sweet. I don't use Fibonacci, so I don't know. Do I have any evals on standby? I don't have 20 accounts yet. I have 2 evals I need to activate. Hello? And the spam calls. I don't know why I have my headphones on. I don't even have anything in them. I don't like this hat. Okay. I like my other ones. Well, that was a good trade. I'm happy with that. Good profit on the day. I guess I should just activate those accounts, at least get them flipped. So let's do that. Let's activate 2 more. Yeah, I'll just do it later because it's going to log me out. Yeah. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I'm going to have room for 2 more accounts, which I would love for them to be the 250Ks. But it's not working out to be that way. No, just same thing, just bigger size. And it's also the problem with the 50Ks using stop losses. Once you go on like 2, 3 day losing streak, the accounts are basically done. Versus with the 250K, you could go on a pretty long drought and not worry about the drawdown. And down she goes again. We're 7 subscribers away. Okay, let's see if we have enough people watching that are not subscribed. So we did this for 10,000. It was pretty cool. can I do this? YouTube Studio. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we're going to be doing a giveaway. We are going to be doing a giveaway, guys. Big 20,000 is coming. Let's see who's going to unsubscribe first. I'm actually going to change the giveaway since it's not official yet. Now official giveaway. I'm going to do a $75 giveaway and then a $50 giveaway to members only. So only members will be able to enter. How about that? So it's going to be a $125 giveaway. $75 and then $50 for members only. Oh man, come on. People are playing with me. What's gonna happen is once you hit 20,000, everyone's gonna resubscribe, and it's gonna go to from 20,000 to like 2020 so quickly. Can we get it? Can we do it? $19. Oh, it's like, oh man. Hey, if you unsubscribe, that's better. We only want the loyal subscribers anyway. I'm here because YouTube gurus hate on me. Can you name one, please? I would love to know who's hating. Like an actual guru. Name drop, please. Brian, okay. I don't even know who that is, but I'm honored to be, I'm assuming he's calls me a gambler. That's great. Let's go. All right, let's prep the giveaway. Robert, are you new to my channel? Let me see. Yeah, this is your first time chatting, so you're new. Just so you know, I took out $300,000 in a year from prop firms. Pretty much 300,000 in a year. If people want to say I'm gambling, that is fine. But I took out $300,000 from prop firms, and that's what matters to me. I'm here to make money. I'm not here to draw up pretty trend lines if you want them. But I don't know who Brian is at all, so I'm just saying. But if he's a guru, then I would love to see his payouts. Maybe he could teach me something. So Robert, what the reason for that is because I didn't use stop losses. So a lot of people thought that was gambling, but that was my edge. So I was playing the game, right? So there's a lot of people that don't use stop losses and they can get payouts. I was able to get a lot of payouts. So now I'm making the same progress I was making before, and I just can't wait to take an even bigger payout and keep moving along while the haters are talking and nowhere to be found on the payout list. But I don't really care for drama, so I was just wondering. All right, we're gonna do a giveaway. So it's gonna be $75 giveaway, and then a $50 giveaway for members only. So members are the green people. They've been supporting the channel for a long time, so I want to give them a little extra. Obviously, members could also participate in the main giveaway as well. So, and I'm sure Apex is gonna give us some codes. Have I received a payout since the rule enforcements? No, I have not requested a payout. I'll be requesting a payout tomorrow, tonight or tomorrow, but only for 2 accounts. And they might get denied because a lot of the profits are from the open. So I made a lot of profit on them since then, like these 2 accounts, this account, this account. Like this one I made what, almost 2 grand. And this account I made almost 3 grand on it. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. 3 or 4 grand on it since last payout window. Not doing the opening trade, not DCAing, so we'll see how they look at it. But they still might deny it, but at least then moving forward they'll be good. How many subs do we need? None. Let's do it. Did they reset the blown account? Yes, they did. Again, they're resetting everything? Damn, that's like free money. I know they're resetting the 830. Oh, 915 only. All right. 915. 830 to 915. So a couple of the evals I lost will be restored. Sylvain, thank you for joining the members club. Welcome. Market's still melting. All right, guys. So just so you know, giveaway will start at 11:25 to 11:30. All right, so we'll do the giveaway at 11:25. Because the chat's gonna go crazy and I want to be able to read the chat. So we're gonna do the giveaway in 7 minutes. We'll have 5 minutes to enter. So if you're watching right now, don't go anywhere. And what's going on, Joe? Dark Souls? No. I don't even know what that is. Is that a video game? No, it's a recording, Mr. Freeze. I'm just checking stuff out on socials. I'm gonna do a giveaway here shortly. Wait a minute. This is the guy that This is the guy that said I was a gambler. He's doing the same exact thing. Interesting. I don't know who he is, but it doesn't look any different than mine. Evals, gambling. Oh. No, the PA is always gonna be the same. So PA, there's no discounts for PA. So the only PA discounts is if Apex runs a promo, which this is the first time they ever ran it. Its 250K account is going to be 250K account is going to be $85 lifetime. Account investigation denied payment means. Bob, can you email me that, please? All right, 1 minute till we start the giveaway. Not even 1 minute. Bob, can you send me an email with that? You already have my email, Bob, right? I'm assuming because you're traveling, maybe? Could it be that? And giveaway is live. $75 raffle. Giveaway $75. You only have 5 minutes to enter. And then it's over. Jonathan, yes. So I kept the profits on some of the accounts, and then the account that was up 11,000, those profits were eliminated. But out of that 30K, I kept pretty much 20. TNT, use exclamation in front. So that's going to be the first giveaway. And the second giveaway is going to be for members only. Doo-doo-doo-doo. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute warning. $40 seconds. Good luck, everyone. And the buzzer went off. All right. Like I said, there will be plenty of giveaways next week of some sort to celebrate. And the winner of the $75 voucher, you have to have Venmo or PayPal. If you don't have Venmo or PayPal, I'm not sending it. So I don't have Plain and I don't have any other payment methods. Here we go. 1 and 2 and sorry guys. And 3. Snicker. Snicker 5 or Snickers. Yeah, that's Snickers. My favorite candy bar. Whoa, what a dump here. All right, send me an email with Paul, yeah, I'm trying a new career just in case trading doesn't work out. I'm trying to be the sound effects guy. You know? All right, and we're gonna do it again, but this time it's going to be for members only. All right, so members, get ready. At 11:35, we'll do a giveaway for you guys. So members, L, what's going on? It's been a long time. All right, so that's that. Unpinned message. You have more than 48 hours to activate. I mean, I had accounts like recently, like I kept them for like 4 or 5 days without activating them. Should want to reset or buy a new account? Buy a new account. Resets are expensive. Unless you do the big accounts, then if you do like the 150K, the 150K is still cheaper. Only 300K accounts are better to reset than to buy new. Plus, if you reset a PA, I mean, an eval, it just gives you a new eval. It's not like it really. The only true reset on an eval is when it renews on the end of the month. But if you just reset it manually, it just gives you a new one. So you might as well just buy a new one. All right, members. But we got to make sure we get at least like 25 members to enter because I don't want to leave them out. So there we go. It's members only, guys. Members only. You have to be green, otherwise you don't enter. Guys, it's members only, not subscribers, just members. Just the members. Oh wait, did I not start it yet? Sorry guys, I didn't start it yet. Damn it. No. Sorry guys, I suck. Hold on, can I make this the background? There we go. Uh the max withdrawal for 250K, I think it's 3,500. Am I right? I think it's 3,500. Yeah, this is for members only. The other giveaway was already. Two minutes. Mm-hmm. Yeah, someone emailed me about the promo that my screen says May 30th. I just didn't feel like editing the overlay, but yeah, it ends Monday now, so ends on Monday. I have 40 seconds for members. We got 15. We have a lot more members than 15, but it gives them a big chance to enter. I mean, a big chance to win, not enter. Any more members watching? LB, all right. Any members watching? To finish May with no trades on both days. You didn't trade for 2 days? Or did you have issues? It's been a tough month for me, and I'm glad it's over. I finished the week all green every single day this week. No lost accounts. Beautiful. Only trade once a day if you get my vibe. Got you. Just be careful because that trade is not really. If I think what you're doing is, gotta be careful. Yeah, I mean, they did say that they're gonna be working on the issues this weekend. Daryl said that he had a conversation with Rhythmic. I have no idea what's causing it. I mean, that's gotta be just overload. There's no other explanation really, because it doesn't happen with other prop firms. Do you have to ask Apex to reset when Rhythmic issues happen? No. The only time they reset is they reset when it's a widespread issue. So basically, Rhythmic has to confirm that there was an issue. And if there was, then Apex just resets all the accounts. All the non-profitable accounts. All right, Trader Fuzz. I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes for the members giveaway. Yeah, I think there's been a huge influx of new members after all the Forex prop firms closed. But we'll see how it is now with people who don't like DCA, they might not use Apex, so we'll see. But yeah, I have room for 2 more PA accounts, and I'm gonna try to make them 250Ks, but I don't know. I don't know how to do it. They let me keep the big green account balances partially. The 11K account, no, but the 8K and the 5K and the 2Ks, yes. But that means I gotta make a lot more profit now on those accounts. Like I have to make $12,000 on this account and $12,000 on this account. So hopefully July 1st would be my request for payout from those accounts. Snicker, I got your email. Snickers. Ba, 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 ba. Congrats. Congrats. Great Britain, huh? Where are you from? England? You're only gonna get 56 pounds. Damn, I gotta pay $4 to send you the money. That's crazy. That's never happened before. They charge you a fee of how? Oh, because maybe it's friends and family. But that's weird. Maybe because I'm just used to sending less. Yeah, I think that big move is done. You can DCA one time with the same size with Apex, yes. Nope. You could add 2 winners all you want. I don't know if it says the same size. You could add once. I don't know if that means you could use bigger size in the ad. Maybe. Why is my overlay so messed up? Did I move it by mistake? All right, so members, last call for members. If you are a member, you could enter a giveaway. All right, guys. I don't know. I think I'm going to be done. Super happy with the end of the week. Well, only one trade. I had second trade here. I only took it on one account. I wish I copy traded it, but that's hindsight. I know I'm going to get my 7K day next week. This is it's an NDA, so you can't really um but YouTube alone, it's like 2 grand a month. Hopefully. I'm pretty much done streaming for today. I'm gonna go enjoy the day, and maybe I'll make a video in my car talking about the NDA stuff. NDA, DCA stuff. So far in 2024. So pays for the car. That's what I wanted. I mean, a lot of this goes to giveaways, but obviously March was 14, April was 21, and May is at 2000. So this is always 2-3 days behind. So May is going to be like 2300. Did I play Warzone new season? No, I just watched streams. I'm so pissed gamblers made Apex change the rules. I mean, they're kind of made it easy for them, right? Don't be too mad though, just adapt. I mean, at the end of the day, you just have to adapt. I mean, being mad is not gonna get you anywhere in life, right? I mean, I get mad watching hockey. I mean, I was yelling at them yesterday. I'm like, see, like they're so successful. They're the best players in the world, and I'm talking shit about them. Like, I'm like, what are you doing with that pass? Or shoot the puck or do something, you know? Like, it's crazy how and stuff like that. But in trading is a little bit different because obviously we all get mad. I get very frustrated with myself, but we just have to adapt. And it's very easy to adapt because there's other prop firms. If there was no other prop firms out there, then that's different, you know, then that would suck. But there's other ones out there that you could do whatever you want to do. Like Bullnox, there's no rules at all right now with Bullnox for your trading. Trade the news. DCA all you want. I mean, they don't even have any flipping rules. Jonathan, this is why I don't want to complain too much because I am so grateful for the opportunity of having prop firms. People don't realize how difficult it is to trade with their live account. So if you want to complain and make a huge deal up of this, I mean, who knows what could happen, you know? Think about it. When there's a lot of complaining and stuff like that, that's when things could really be hammered down. There's nothing new with Apex. It's just being enforced. Apex always had the open, always had DCA, always had those rules in the agreement. They just never enforced it. But that's why they had it. So if it gets over abused, now they have protection. Yeah, but SMB Capital is completely different. Yeah, that's a proper prop firm. That's not anyone can go and trade with SMB Capital. You have to be hired by them to trade with them. It's nowhere near the same. Trade hard. As long as prop firms are making good money, they will continue. But you know, there's the government, right? There's SEC. There is the Futures Commission as well. Futures and commodities. There's a reason why you can't trade CFDs in the US. There's a reason why we have a PDT rule. There's always rules for a reason. So there's so many people that trade with futures now that maybe used to trade stocks. So now they're not participating in the stock market anymore. And with futures, you're not a live participant in the live market. So that's taking money away from the live markets. Larry, yeah, a lot of people probably got saved with DCA this morning. Yeah, good point. Like if you were DCAing this morning, you blew up your accounts, you know? So it's like on days like this, you actually get saved. There's always a positive that you could look at. Like for me, like it forced me to trade differently, right? So I look at it as all right, well, now with Apex, I have to trade differently. And my trading wasn't all that great. And I was making $200 to $300 per day. And that's all I got to do again. And it's not like I was making, you know, $3,000 to $4,000 a day. I was making $200 to $300 a day. So it's not like for me it was a huge drastic difference. Now there's people that make, you know, $2,000 to $3,000 a day using DCA method because it works for them. They're able to scale in, and when it really starts going in their way, you know, they hold it with big size. For those people, yeah, it sucks. But then you go to a different prop firm, you know, go to Top Step, go to Bullnox. I mean, you have options. It's not like you don't. Did I DCA before the new rules? Yeah. So I used I didn't get that many payouts with that method. All my copy trading was done with the opening trade. So most of my payouts, most of my consistency came from the opening, which that did not include DCA. But the intraday scalping, yeah, I did DCA, and it was, in my opinion, was a different method. It wasn't a true DCA. It was something I looked at it as in trading around the core position. So I would get into a trade. My biggest issue, right? So I'll get into a trade, whatever, I'll work out of it. My biggest issue was not using stop losses. I think that's where I made the mistakes. Or that's where I'm guilty of the most, not using stop losses. But again, I'm in the public, so obviously a lot of people think it's me, but then when Apex releases the videos and then you see people with 1,000 PAs, you know, and 20 PAs active and 20 evals also active in the reserves, those are the people that were really not using the stop losses and then using schemes to copy trade other people's accounts, you know, not having stop losses, just like having autobots. I mean, it's so easy to create an autobot on QUANTOWER or on Ninja. I mean, you could create whatever you want. You could tell it to, all right, take a trade for 10 ticks every hour. So at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, or you know, whatever you want to do, you know, put a new trade on, and it could be profitable. Complete randomness, but there's so many tricks. Are they technically giving you 2,600 to trade with for $20? Technically, yes. But technically no, because that's just an eval. You got to pay for the funded account. I mean, that's not really gambling though, right? It's just trading, adding to loser. That's not, I mean, gambling is when you don't have a method to something at all and you just randomly do it. If it was gambling, people wouldn't be making money either, though. Like, think about it. If DCA was that bad, why would be so many payouts denied? If DCA was really bad, there would be no payouts to deny. There would be only a few people because obviously it doesn't work. But if it works, then... But then I understand that obviously there's the other side of it, that Apex wants you to go live and they want to copy trade us and all that stuff. So I understand both sides. I am very neutral in this situation. Again, if I'm healthy, if I have my family and I have the opportunity, I'm going to do everything I can to make it. I don't really care about the small rule changes because, again, we have options. You guys know I trade with other prop firms, so it's not like I'm just going to keep some things to myself now. I learned the hard way about that. Like, people use everything you do against you. So do I still trade with Bull Knox? Yes. Am I going to trade with Top Step? Yes. As soon as I get to 20 accounts with Apex. Am I going to trade with Elite Trader Funding? No, don't like them anymore. The rule changes were a little bit too harsh for my liking. So the big thing with Elite Trader Funding was the safety net. Now you can't take out the safety net, so I'd rather not. I don't really care about that. I'm also not scalping anymore. I have way more options now. I could go to One Up Trader. I could go to UProfit. I could go to so many other prop firms now that don't allow scalping because I don't scalp. Right? So it's now I have options. I'm not worried one bit. Take profit. Oh yeah, also take profit. I haven't really given take profit a good chance. I tried one eval. I was copy trading into my PAs in May, which I blew. But yeah, I could take some accounts and take profit. So there's so many options. I'm not freaking worried at all. Which prop firm does not allow scalping? My funded futures, One Up Trader, for example, Elite Trader Funding. Those are the main ones that even like UProfit has like gray areas with it. TickTick does. TickTick doesn't allow it in the first 5 minutes of the market open at 6 p.m. Yeah, I did. I had to clarify that with them actually. So market open is not 9:30 a.m. The market open is at 6 p.m. Did they let me keep the big wins? Yeah, so everyone that was green yesterday kept the profits. Everyone that was red got erased. So that was pretty sweet. Does it help me? Not really, because the profits were huge. So I have to make... Well, number one, I just lost the payout possibility with this account, right? So number one is I can't take the payout from this account anymore, which I could have. I was gonna request it tonight. Let's see. So these three accounts I was gonna take a payout from. No, these three, sorry. So now I'm gonna only request these two. I'm gonna request a payout from Bullnox next week as well. So the start of June is not going to be pretty. It's gonna be around 10,000. But then hopefully second half of June is gonna be decent. What do I need to do? I need to make $12,000. This outage, they're erasing profits and losses. I've never seen them erase profits because it's not fair to those people that didn't have issues. Does my Porsche fit all my DJ equipment? I wish. Yeah, those accounts are now static accounts. So they're like real accounts, right? So I have 15 grand in this. So I gotta make another 12,000 without losing 15. It's not too bad. It's gonna take me some time, but all right, so let's do the giveaway for the members now. Last minute call for members only. Jerome Powell, but let me ask you a question. You said you were super upset at Apex for changing the rules, but why would you be upset if you're not doing it? Why would you be upset? Right? If you're not doing it, then it doesn't affect you. So what's the difference? Guys, it's only for members. Members only. Market Garden. I'm affected by it too. Don't we're not we're not gonna say that not everyone's affected, right? We just gotta adapt. I mean, the DCA I don't really care about. That I honestly don't care about at all because I could do it with another prop firm if I really thought it was good. But it didn't really generate that much. And I actually stopped doing DCA in March because it just was not consistent enough and it was frustrating. Obviously, the open is what affects me. But I do DCA all the time? No, I don't. Not since March. It's already June. But Jerome, they didn't change any rules. They are just enforcing the rules. What's the open rule? You can't set a bracket for a breakout trade at the open. What a sell-off. Jesus Christ. DCA is adding to a loser, yeah. See, Market Garden, you have the right mindset. As long as we have access to prop firms, we should be happy. We have the opportunity to adapt, to make money. The prop firms are not something to be taken for granted. They weren't here when I started trading. That's what I meant, Gabe. But I don't know if you could do the open, the morning open with the bracket. I don't know. I don't even do it. I don't even do it. I waited. This morning I waited. This morning I waited 3 minutes to take a trade. This is candle 9:33. So 3 minutes in. get it in short, done. Same type of trade. It's just 3 minutes later. You know, there's no difference. And this is with one contract. I used to take 3 contracts or 2 contracts with much smaller target. Now I went for a much bigger target, double the target with half the size. I still do it, Gabe. Jerome, because they were allowed to. I mean, the one they pass, the no max daily loss, the full contract sizes. I mean, all that is what Apex allows you to do. So they were just playing the game. I mean, like, I'm for Apex, and people are gonna hate me for this, but I would love if there was one big change that Apex had to make to kind of make the rules more lenient, but make this one change, I would sign up for it, and that is keep the safety net. But don't make it like other platforms when you can never take it out. Make it for the first month. First 2 payouts, you can't take the safety net out. Third payout, you can. I mean, they already do it with the 150K account, right? On the 150K account, you got to make 50, 100. You can only take out 27. So you already keep the safety net. So they should do that for all the accounts somehow. Maybe make it where there's this. Here you go. Perfect solution. 50K account. You can't take out anything below 51,500. So you have $1,500 in drawdown left after you take the payout. So to be, to get $2,000 out of it, you got to get the account to 3,500. Simple solution. That's gonna get a lot of the rotating accounts out of the window. Yeah, keep 50% of the safety net. That's also a good idea. Actually, that's probably the best idea, Josh. Because if you keep 50% of safety net, nothing else changes. You could still make $2,600. With $2,600, you could take out 1,000. Instead of 2,000, you could still take out 1,000. If you want to take out 2,000, then you just got to make more. That's actually really, really, really good idea, Josh. John, I'm not sure, but I can't hear how that sounds. But the thing is, John, if you didn't know about DCA, that means you didn't read the agreement. It was always in there. So, John, the biggest thing is what you got to do is not do it again. Trade normally. What day are you on now? You're on day 4. Well, you're on day 4. You're not getting a payout this window. So you have till June 15th to trade. So just don't do DCA until then, and you should be fine. And if they say something, then you could ask them for more reasoning or something, and then if they deny you on June 15th, you'll get the payout on June 1st. I mean, July 1st. Yeah, Jerome, but it's, some people like Oliver Velez, he teaches trading. He calls it dipping your toe in the water, right? So there's a lot of people that build their positions. When you're trading big size in the live market, going full size all at once is pretty much not good because you're going to get slippage and all that stuff. So a lot of times you want to scale in. Now, I also understand some people read the market a lot better. That's what he says. When you're in the position, you see the market a lot different than when you're not. So if I went short right now, I'll see the market a lot different than just watching it right now. Right now, it looks perfectly good short. But once I'm going to get in it, now I'm going to see the bids are stacking up. So I'm going to be like, oh, maybe I'm not in the right position, So it's like you get to see the market a little bit different. So for some people, just stabbing their toe in the water is better. But with futures, it's hard because you would have to use micros for that. Well, with Top Step, you can't DCA because you don't have the size, so you don't have the contracts. So you're still limited. But yeah, Top Step is definitely a good option. My goal is 30 accounts. So I'm gonna have 30 accounts soon. Oh, Little Big Bear. I apologize. I hope you're rich at least. I hope you are very rich, my friend. I didn't ban you. I just silenced you because I don't like that. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. Jerome Powell, yeah. But there's also other ways they could do that, But they don't wanna they wanna but there's a couple things like I don't like, Like they extended the sale, right? Well, I bought like 10 evals yesterday at the end of the day, at like 11 p.m. Like, why couldn't they say they're gonna extend the sale till Monday? So then I wouldn't buy the 10 accounts. I would just buy them on Monday. It's like, I know it doesn't matter, but is it always this volatile on the last day of the month? No. I think there's a lot of like news. I think last Friday of the month and the quarter. Is that the quad witching? Is that the one? Like in June? End of June might get volatile. And the reason why I bought 10 is because I want to have them. Like, I'm not even going to trade them, but if I lose any funded accounts, I want to have those evals and trade them then, right? I want to trade them then. So at least I paid 90% off instead of 80. So I have a whole month now before they renew. So if I would have bought them Monday, that's extra 3 days I would have had. Trade hard, but Velez says he trades. This works on futures as well. And Velez trades large caps, which is pretty much the same. Like he trades Apple. I mean, Apple is just as liquid as Nasdaq. Jerome Powell, huh? Now it makes sense. So that's why I asked you, why are you so upset? Be grateful for the 160K then. Uh, I don't think Oliver Velez trades with level 2 that much. He trades the chart most of the time. No, Jerome, I'm not upset at you. And you shouldn't be upset at Apex. Future spread is always a thick. I mean, Apple, I think it's always a penny spread. It's rare that Apple is more than 3 cents spread, no? All right, guys, let's do the member giveaway. So members, thanks for joining. There's only 20 of you watching today, so you have a very high chance of winning. Thank you for your support. This is for a $50 raffle. This is for members only, not for everyone. The giveaway for everyone was done, but we'll be doing a lot more giveaways next week for some evals. I'm just not prepared today. I wasn't sure, but we're gonna hit the 20,000 subscriber mark. All right, so the winner, and they do not have to be present, guys. I'll get in touch with them if they are not here. Okay, these are the members, so I want to make sure that oh, Egan, you didn't enter yet. Hold on, Egan is here. A little bit better. Yeah, you were good. You're good. I was trying to unban you that day, but once you like, I didn't ban you, so it was a timeout, and I guess you can't untimeout someone. If I banned you, I would have unbanned you, but I didn't ban you. I just timed you out. All right, there we go. Close entries. Winners. And the winner is bum bum bum. Where's the drum roll? Is the drum roll here somewhere? Nope. Diary of Futures Day Trader. Perfect. Boom. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I'm going to go enjoy the day. It's a beautiful day out. I'm going to go for a ride. I'm going to go get a car wash. I am going to go get my hair cut, and then I got to work. Got to work tonight. Got to work tomorrow. And then I have my dad's birthday party on Sunday. So busy weekend. So before we know it, it'll be Monday again. And we'll be back at it. It's only been 5 months. We still got a month left before the halfway mark. So hopefully more payouts. I would like to be at 250,000 net profit in payouts by June after fees. And this channel's like Christmas. Well, people support the channel. The members support the channel, and everyone that's watching supports the channel. So we give back. I mean, I just had like 10,000 subscribers in January. It took me 6 years to get to 10,000. And it took me 4 months to get another 10,000. I mean, I've said it since day one, since I've been posting videos consistently. If you are someone that does not have a job that interferes with trading, and you could actually create content, this is a tip though. I'll give you guys one tip. If you were to start a YouTube channel right now, don't do recaps. If you just do recaps without editing, without any if you're trying to grow the channel, that is, without any editing, without any like easy to read, recaps. So trying to explain the trades and stuff like that, if you're not profitable, that doesn't grow the channels. There's so many of them popping up. I mean, every day I see a new channel. Just come up with something different, come up with something that's unique. I feel like my channel is a little bit unique because of how I approached trading with multiple accounts and multiple prop firms at the same time. No one was really doing that before. And it's about sharing my journey and not teaching how to trade. I'm not telling you where to enter. I'm not telling you how you should go in now. And if the trade works out, I'm not going to tell you I told you so type of thing. So just take a unique approach. There's so many voids that we could still fill in to the YouTube space. But if you just do the same thing everyone else is doing, it's going to be very hard to break through. Could I wait 2 weeks before activating past evals? Yeah, just sign them. I'm buying a house with 20 acres. Damn. You better buy yourself a big tractor to cut that lawn. Sent the email. I don't see it. Let's see if it's in the spam. I don't have your email, diary. Mavs and Stars, yeah. Unfortunately, it will not be the Rangers in the finals. They are terrible. I don't know how that's even possible in professional sports. How a team that played so well consistently throughout the whole entire season play like this in playoffs. I don't understand. I understand when teams get hot and cold throughout the season, but Rangers were hot and steady the whole entire year, and all of a sudden you just can't do anything. Rampy plays like 2 minutes a game. Yep, Apex sell is extended. I went long 20 contracts for the news and hit 15K target. When I tried to close, it didn't let me. Account ended 6K under my target fill. Black Wolf, are you sure it didn't go into admin mode? Yeah, so that will be reset. Those accounts will be reset. Yeah, but with news, there's just no way to control the fills. So that happens a lot. That's normal though. It's the reopening and entering into trades. That's what the issue is. Like I was getting put into a trade like 10 times. It was an eval, so I didn't care. It was already blown. But it was just putting me into a trade, taking me out of a trade, in a trade, out of a trade, in a trade, like nonstop. What way below the drawdown. Where's Patrick Kane? What do you mean, where's Patrick Kane? He's in Red Wings. 250K account passed today on 265, but it is in admin mode. They will not pass you, no. That account's blown. That happened to me as well. Look, that happened to me as well. This account will not be activated. It will be reset. I also went along with two other 250Ks and ended 12K profit, but they closed normally and didn't experience issues. No. If they didn't have issues, they will not be reset. Yep, just sign a PA. Don't cancel your evals that are associated with those PAs, and you'll be fine. I've waited over a week to activate them. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it. It's almost 1 o'clock, and okay, I got your email now, I think. Ending the week all green, green every single day of the week, and super happy with that. There's some frustrating days where I was up a lot and I gave it back. So today I decided, after being up on the first trade, I decided not to trade with all the issues. But do I have a little bit of FOMO? Yeah. Seemed like a pretty easy shorting day, but who knows? Maybe I would have been longing and taken losses, or I would have shorted right at the worst possible time, like here. Who knows, you know? Even though I did short here, and I did win. Where is it? On this account. So I took 2 trades on my Apex accounts, and yes, if the PA accounts or any accounts that were blown between 8:30 a.m. and 9:15 a.m. this morning will be reset. Black Wolf, there's not much to my entries, just breakdowns. I did show a video of this trade. I mean, this was the open. The open was right here. And this was 9:33 a.m. I took a breakdown of that. Which basically was my opening range trade. There's no difference, except today it didn't trigger for 3 minutes. So I had time to place the order afterwards. And typically I manually trade them, but this time I actually placed a short there and I got out. Black Wolf, I mean, that could be analysis by, I mean, that could be paralysis by analysis if it's too much noise. You have to find something that gives you confidence. Got it. Oh, another female. We had a female winner yesterday too. Black Wolf, yeah, I'm more of a price action trader. So like in stocks, no one uses those things. No one uses footprints and volume profiles and deltas in stocks for some reason. It's like a weird thing for futures. In stocks, it's more level 2, which is basically footprints, but it's level 2, and then tape and just some moving averages or whatever to give you the guidance. But it's mostly everything's on price action, volume, and candles. The only thing with futures, it's hard to use volume as a indicator because it's so heavy. There we go. See, we've got volume profile here. I don't know how I would look at it, but volume, maybe trades. So see, it's hard to find the peaks. Like, I guess, let me see. So point of control is this, I'm assuming. Okay, I like this actually. So this would be the sellers, this would be the buyers. The volume. Black Wolf, how long have you been trading? From Peru, very nice. Welcome. I will be ending the stream very shortly though. Mm. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it. I'm distracted now on Discord. So, um, good week. Green every single day for me. Super happy with the progress, and I'll decide if I'm gonna take the payout this weekend or if I'm gonna wait till the 5th on these accounts. I might just request it. It might take a while to be approved, so I'll continue trading the accounts anyway. These two accounts. But have a great weekend, guys. I'll be super busy this weekend, so for me, it's gonna fly by, and Monday will be here before we know it. Because no, I am not a full-time day trader. Okay, I don't rely on day trading for my bills. All right, so I'll talk to you guys on. I'm gonna actually, I won't have a time. Maybe in my car I'll make a video, but I don't know. I feel like I don't even want to talk about the whole DCA thing because I think there's not much to say really. I've said everything I wanted to the people I care about, and everything else is whatever. Just gotta adapt, right? Yeah, I'm done. I've been done since basically the open. I just went on the stream. I was expecting to stream only for a little bit, and here I am. We did cross 20,000 subscribers, so that was cool. Live on stream. My two entries, breakdowns. Opening range break, 3 minutes in, so basically a 3-minute opening trade. Took a short, and then the second trade was a trap. The second trade was just a trap here. So I was talking about it down here. I'm like, oh, if we break above this high and then reject, I like that as a short. But then I wasn't gonna take it, but then I realized that one account I didn't trade yet today, so I decided to take a short on just one account, and it worked out really well. And I have not traded since. And that's how it's gonna be moving forward. I mean, I am not going to overtrade. I got most of my payouts doing one trade a day, and that's what I want to show, that one trade or just $200-300 a day, could be a couple trades, but $200-300 a day is all we need, right? All right, guys, I will talk to everyone very soon. Have a great weekend. It's June now, the summer is here, and enjoy the weather a little bit. The 3-week countdown begins for the car, by the way. Exactly 3 weeks. That is crazy. $22 days. It's going to be shipped tomorrow. So it's leaving on its voyage tomorrow. May you have a safe trip, my friend. Can't wait to meet you. Don't sink, okay? Don't hit any bridges and don't sink. Thank you. Would you submit a payout if balance was 52,700? Yeah, as long as you have consistency and you didn't break any rules, yeah, why not? Cats, yeah, I'm working tomorrow, so I'm glad I'm not gonna be able to be fully focused on the game. I'm gonna watch the Rangers game, but not like, I'm not gonna be able to fully focus and watch everything. I'm gonna be up to date with it, but I'm gonna be DJing a wedding, So at least my emotions will be a lot less. And see, it was so hard to get 10 subscribers, and now we already at 34 over. I did not request a payout this window. I mean, I had a huge loss in May, right? I made videos about that, so I have not requested a payout. It was like a good timing because I probably would have been denied anyway. So it was like a good timing for it all. I always try to look at it positive and the negative. I wouldn't be denied for DCA though. I would be denied for the open. And these accounts I have not traded the open for the most part. So, and we rebuilt. You know, I rebuilt all these accounts and it took a while, but I have two more. I have two more I'm gonna activate before the close today at some point. Just open and close the trade in them so that way it counts as a trading day. And not that it really matters. I have plenty of time before next payout window. Have I gotten denied for DCA? No. Do I think Apex will recover? I don't think Apex has much to worry about as far as like sales. I think if Apex makes some changes to payouts, so let's say they take out the payout window like they said they might, if they change a few things, I think it's gonna be fine. I mean, I'm not worried because there's other prop firms. You're not stuck to one prop firm. You know, just spread your risk if you want. My goal is to trade 30 accounts. I want to trade 30 accounts and make $200 per account and multiply it by 30 accounts, and that's my $6,000 a day. You know, that's the hardest part is building those accounts, getting them to the payout threshold. Once they're at payout threshold, then it's easy. But we all want to get to payout within like the first 10 days. So then $200 a day is not enough. Cats, yeah, it's more stressful than trading. That's what I said yesterday. I was like yelling at them. I'm like, what the hell are you guys doing? Do I still have my Block's accounts? Yes. Yep. I'll be requesting another payout from Bolnox this upcoming Friday, next Friday, since I just got one recently. With Bolnox, it's like the payout windows are kind of weird, but one of my accounts in Bolnox is at $8,000. See, $300 a day, and it's at $8,000 with multiple payouts. Yeah, time to go. Trade like algo. Thank you. Danny, see? Don't let anyone tell you trading is easy because it's not. Even the people that are making money, trading is hard. That's why you have to be grateful for being able to do it. People love to talk trash, but man, this week, this whole month, half of a month has been very interesting. I mean, it was crazy, but all right, guys. I will talk to you on Monday. What happened to Rhythmic this morning? Just issues during the news. But it's fine because they're gonna reset the accounts between 8:30 and 9:15. If you lost the accounts, they'll restore them. They will not restore anything at the open though. There was no issues. I didn't have any issues at the open today. All right, guys. Later. See you guys, and can't wait to do it again next week. maybe a reversal now. We'll see. All right, guys. I'm going to go go for a ride. The car wash is like 30 minutes away. So I got 2 hours to go get the car wash. And I got to get a haircut at 3 o'clock. And then I got to go to work at 5. So later.